Slow going, but we've got another bed. Our rain barrel is nice and full. Kids play evidence is pretty much everywhere. You can see the garlic is doing pretty good. Top swale bed's full of wood chips. We have our spillway right here that was left from the hands-on 1-week course that we did last year. And this bed, I finally got the rock out, although the rock is more like a boulder. Anyway, I should have left it in probably. But once I got it moved a tiny bit, it kind of popped up 6 inches and was bigger than the path could handle. So I had to get that out of there. That took about a day. Now we're on to the third swale bed, and you can't really see, but we've got the water level set up here. Just roughed out the level now. It's pretty much finished. I wasn't able to attain the level here because there's a big rock that I'm hitting, and this time I'm going to leave it because this is the end actually where it's going to slowly creep up to the height of the grass level where we set the spillway anyway. So I'm just not gonna dig at that rock because I don't need another boulder. We're good. Beds are all rough right now with all of the sod that we took out of the path flipped over and underneath. All of the raspberry roots and heffier roots, the kids are hauling away, and they get $1 a wheelbarrow, so pretty good deal on their part. They don't even know it, which they go and spend at the local thrift store. So we're gonna smooth out this bed, lay cardboard on it to prevent any more of those roots from coming up and through. And then we've got good garden soil that we purchased because we're just on sand here, and we're gonna put a layer of that on top, and then we're gonna get a load of alpaca manure, and we got straw over there. We got an unsprayed straw that's overwintered, so it's nice and wet, which means it doesn't fluff up, it doesn't cause flea beetle problems. So that's gonna be great to spread out over top of this. And we're coming on May 10th right now. It's Mother's Day. So we're just in line for planting once we get this final bed. Not final bed, I think it's just the final bed for this year. I dream of having 2 more, but with a 2.5-year-old and a 5.5-year-old, that's just, seems like it's eons away. Anyway, that's the update on where the passive irrigated permaculture suburban, I guess we're kind of urban, suburban garden is. Let me know if you like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And you can also check the comments for a link. We've got a free eco gardening course where we explain a lot more in detail the different things that we're doing in these types of gardens. And if you really want to get your hands dirty and you're in the Ottawa, Ontario, Quebec area, come on down for July 6th to the 10th. We're doing a 5-day hands-on where we do every day is a specific intensive design we go through. 1 full day of from observation to design on a specific property. So we'll get a concept plan done by the end of the day as a group, so you'll hone your design skills that way. We've got a full day on eco gardening, so everything from passive irrigation like I just showed you to natural fertility to natural pest control, companion planting, and all that jazz. And then we're going to get into advanced composting, compost tea. We're going to look at 5 different types of compost methods: compost tea production, compost extracts. We're going to make an actively aerated compost tea brewer. And we also have just over beyond the blue shade tent up there, you can barely see it, is a Johnson Sioux bioreactor. And this one's modified so there's no plastic. I don't like using the plastic, so we've got a technique that works. And we're going to check on that, see how it's done for the year. And we're going to build a new one as well. That's our 3rd day. The 4th day is all about food forests. So we go from guild design in the morning till planting a guild and maintaining food forests in the afternoon. So full day about food forest, guild design, and companion planting around fruit trees. And then the last day is erosion management, flood management, and drought proofing. So we look at large-scale drought proofing, flood management, and erosion management techniques, which we've got working on a local farm nearby. It's a bring your own lunch, rustic camping, brown bag kind of thing. People love it. We have campfires, we have chit chats. There's a Roots and Shoots farm is right down the road. They're organic, and on Thursday they have a meal that students usually all go and have together. So there's a lot of good fun things. Coffee, tea, and snacks are included. And if you're interested, then check the link down below for the Advanced Permaculture Practicum and get your hands dirty and get growing. All right, cheers.